Is RAG dead in 2026? Standard pipelines shred your documents into chunks, index them as vectors, then guess. That guess is how you get a hallucination. The problem isn't retrieval. The problem is structure. Until your data is a graph, the model is only guessing. Take a 50-page company PDF. You ask one simple question: how many paid leaves do I get in a year? Standard RAG shreds that file into hundreds of disconnected chunks, then drops them into a vector database. When you query, the model uses statistical proximity to guess which fragments might hold the answer. But the leave policy lives on page 2, and the exception that changes it lives on page 15. Those two chunks drift to opposite ends of the database. There's no physical link between them. Vector search cannot bridge the gap, so the model sees half the story. It fills the blanks with a guess. That's the error. That's the hallucination. Google's open knowledge format was built to kill this failure. It treats your data as a structured wiki, not a pile of loose text. The model's job shifts. Instead of guessing where an answer might live, the system builds an explicit map of the information it's processing. A PDF isn't shredded. It's converted into clean markdown that keeps the original flow. From that, the system constructs a knowledge graph. Every fact becomes a node. It writes logical links directly into the structure. The policy on page 2 and the exception on page 15 are now physically wired together. Explicit bridges. The spatial gap is gone. Context lives in the graph, so the model cannot lose the thread. Run the same leave policy question through this graph. The behavior changes. The model no longer hunts matching coordinates. It follows a predefined path from the policy to the exception. That traversal is faster than vector search. No distance math across millions of chunks. Links stay intact at any scale. Paths are mapped before the query happens. Following a map, not a game of hot and cold. The answer is deterministic. Moving from vector retrieval to explicit mapping is the next step for anyone building production AI. It's the transition from a search engine to a knowledge engine. This isn't a patch. It's a rewrite. You get an answer from the structure of the document, not a statistical probability. If you want the system design and the step-by-step guide for implementing this format, comment the word guide below. I'll send the documentation directly to your DMs.